Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this look I created with the Norvina palette. So pretty, so it's this pretty purple look. Has a lot of detail. I really like it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zakaila. You can follow me on social media at Zakaila Savage. Make sure to smash that subscribe button below so you don't miss any more videos. And without further ado, let's just jump into today's tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I already did this eye just to save time. I did my brows and I did a thin layer of foundation. And so yeah, now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can get started. Okay, so I'm going in with the Norvina palette. I'm going in with this light brown shade called Eccentric. Oh crap, I forgot to set my eye. So first I'm gonna be going in with some I literally always say sharp tape shade. Like, I'm going with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna carve out my brow real quick because I forgot to do that before I started filming. And now I'm just gonna pull it down to make it as a base for my eye. Okay, so now that that's on there, I'm just gonna take my finger and pat it out even more. Okay, now I can go in with that shade Eccentric. So because I don't powder on my eyes to set it, I can't just go right away in with windshield wiper motions. I need that like powder on there as a base first. And this way just works to bring out the vibrancy of the color anyways. But I'm just literally packing that like right around my crease area. And now I'm just gonna start going up in circular motions and blending it up. This is gonna be my transition shade. Okay, so now I have that pretty much blended out how I want it for now. I'm going to be going back in with the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just taking this color right here called Passion. And I'm going to start packing that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just using a pencil brush right now just to get a lot of color on there, if that makes sense. I want it super pigmented. But I'm also going to be taking the very tops like this and blending it in. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Eccentric on a fluffy brush and start blending those colors together. It kind of washed away, so I'm just going to be making it more pigmented again so you can see it. And then I'm going back in with the shade Passion. And I'm just going to keep alternating pretty much until it's blended how I want and the colors are like showing up how I want, if that makes sense. So I am going to be going in with a cut crease, so I do want the shade Passion to be nice and dark, so when I cut the crease it's pretty nice and crisp, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that those two shades are kind of blended how I want them, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So again, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I said it right this time. And I'm just taking this super tiny little bitty flat brush. It's so perfect for carving out the crease. Okay, and then I'm dipping in that shade of Passion and I'm just gonna clean up the edges of the cut crease. Okay, I'm taking that shade of Passion again and I'm gonna blend that into the cut crease right here. Okay, so now I'm going in with this beautiful purple shade right here called Celestial. And I'm gonna be packing that on the inner lid. So pretty. I love this color. My half cut crease isn't like perfect, but because I'm putting glitter on the line of my cut crease, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. I can kind of fix it up with this. So I'm going in with the Heavy Metal glitter from Urban Decay. It looks like this. This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Okay, I'm back after what feels like a million years, but I finished up this eye except for lashes and my face. So now I'm gonna take you into my bottom lash line for this eye. So I'm going back in with that shade Eccentric, and I'm gonna be popping that on my bottom lash line right there. And I'm gonna be blending this pretty far down. And then I'm gonna smoke that all the way up here like that, so it attaches to the upper lid area. Okay, now I'm going back in with that shade Passion, and I'm just popping the shade on the outer to middle part. I'm not going to bring this all the way in, so I'm connecting this to the top just like I did with the last shade. I'm going in with this glitter from Urban Decay called Midnight Cowboy, And now I'm gonna go ahead and connect that down like that. Okay, and that takes a few layers, but I have to let it dry first or I'm just gonna keep moving the glitter around. Now I'm going in with the shade from Jazzy Glitters. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna start popping these larger glitters on my eye. I'm just gonna apply some of this CoverGirl mascara on my lashes before I apply falsies, just so they're nice and black and push up so they blend in with my lashes. Oh, and then before I put on mascara on my bottom lashes, I'm going to be going in with this eye pencil from Urban Decay. It's in the shade Alkaline. It looks like this. It's like this deep purple berry shade. And I'm just going to be popping that right on my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this pretty pinky champagne color right here called Dreamer. I'm going to pop that right on my brow bone right there. Okay guys, this completes the tutorial. This is the final look. I really like how it came out. I did a lot more details than I have been doing recently, and yeah, I just like it so much more. I used the Norvina palette again. There's so many shimmers. I can never pick like what shimmers to use. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button below so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!